can tell you, in the beginning, when I struggled with my natural hair, my self-esteem was just not there. It just wasn't. Welcome back, people, and we will be going live very soon to address hair hacks that will save your hair. Now, some of you all may know that I offer a hair coaching program, so if you do want something a little bit more private, definitely email me. However, if you want some free help, join us live. And the best part about all of this is if you are on Clubhouse, make sure you follow your girl, because on our lives, you are going to have the option to get your question answered via phone instead of typing. So let's back up for a minute. Let's talk about the reason why I'm doing this. As you all know, I make a lot of content around helping struggling naturals. And sometimes just watching a video is just not enough. And I completely understand that. So I want you all to have that option, especially if you can't afford like the hair coaching program. Like, I get it. I don't know if you all seen my last video, but I completely didn't follow directions. So I now understand when I tell you all something in a video, how you guys can do the complete opposite. So let me be there to reinforce what I'm saying for you live. Now, I'll be honest with you all, I don't know everything, and I'm not gonna pretend like I do. So I encourage my professional naturals, my veterans, to join us and help us all, and let's work as a community. So for our first scheduled live, it is going to be on April 24th, 2:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And following that, we're going to continue doing this for the last Saturday of every month. Now, here's the thing. If you can't make it to the live, right, I want you to go ahead and post your question below so that I can answer it on the 24th and you can just watch it on a replay. Other than that, please let me know if you're going to be there. And do not forget to follow me on Clubhouse so that you can actually get on the phone with me. Yeah, it'll be live on YouTube, but I mean, we on the phone together. Yet, in all seriousness, you don't know who else you can be helping by simply just stating your struggle. So I will see you all there. And if you need help right now, right before our live, I encourage you to watch this video. Other than that, join me on Facebook at My Natural Hair Life. I was gonna say .com, but I mean, I want you to visit the site too. But other than that, join us on Facebook if you have a question today. Take care, guys.